Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Taylor and I just got back from vacation. When I got home, all of these PR packages were waiting for me, and so I thought, why not do an unboxing? I wonder what I got while I was living my best life in Japan. Let's open them up and see. Okay, first package, let's see who it's from. Ooh, it looks like the new Armani perfume, Armani Power of You. Definitely gonna open this up and spray it on right now. Just look at that bottle. It says here that it has passion fruit and vanilla. Oh my gosh, that smells incredible. We have something from Garnier, so let's check it out. Ooh, what's this? It's a ring pop for their diamond sleek smoothing spray. That is so perfect for this. L'Oreal is one of my favorite brands, so I know that I'm gonna like this. Oh my gosh, they sent so much. This is actually crazy. It looks like they sent an entire makeup look, and not me wanting to try this out ASAP, so let's definitely test this out and then maybe we'll try out some of the other products later. It's supposed to immediately reduce the look of eye bags. We're gonna follow the instructions and use a pea-sized amount, and it says to let it dry for about 15 minutes. So we'll just open some more packages in the meantime. This brand is actually new to me. It's Melt Cosmetics. They sent over a little arrangement of products, and since I haven't tried them out before, I was thinking I should give them a proper first impressions video, so stay tuned for that. Always excited to see what Benefit has sent me this month. Their new blush. They came out with 2 new formulas. I think we have to try the new Dewy blush today. There are 5 of them, so which shade? Figgy definitely looks the pinkest, so I think we might actually apply her. Just gonna go right on the skin with this and blend in with my fingers. This one is supposed to have all day wear, be hydrating. It's also supposed to be water resistant, sweat proof, and humidity proof. That is super cute. Don't come for me when I say this, but I think I like it more than Benetton. All right, now that I have some complexion going, I'm actually gonna dip back into the L'Oreal package and try out their new Skin Ink foundation and the Blur-fection powder. This is in the shade 15, and even though it's a foundation, the applicator is more like a concealer. The shade match is looking pretty good, and it does have quite a bit of coverage. Anyways, let's go in with the True Match concealer just so we can try out that powder. I've actually heard such good things about this. Wow, that's really brightening. Oh yeah, I'm loving this. It's looking flawless, and it's from the drugstore. You need it. And while we have it here, why don't we go ahead and try out the La Shadow stick? This part is always satisfying. Out of the 2 shades, I'm gonna try Cloudy Rose. Let's just give it a quick swatch. Wow. That is creamy. It's such a universally flattering pink shade. All right, we just have a few more packages to open, and this next one here is no secret. It's from Pixi. That's such a nice touch. They gave me an embroidered pillowcase. Ooh, this one has some weight to it. So what do we have? Oh wow, it looks like L'Oreal sent over their entire new lip range, the Blurfiller. So many shades to try. Do you guys want to see a swatch video? A little something else from Benefit. They sent over some of their most loved mascaras, and these are literally the best mascaras ever. It's hard to pick a favorite, but I think I'm gonna go with FanFest today. Huge thanks to Benefit for the restock. And the final package we have today is from Kopari. What do we have? It's their Sunglaze sheer setting mist with SPF 50. So let's go ahead and try this out. Definitely hold your breath. It smells like sunscreen, but it adds a nice little glow to the skin, which I like. Finally, let's try out their Lip Love Moisture Balm. This is in the shade Watermelon. Lip balms like this just happen to be my favorite, so I actually love this. All right, that's everything that I got in PR while I was on vacation. A huge thank you to all of the brands that sent me anything. I'm so grateful. Be sure to comment down below what products you're most interested in seeing content about, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.